In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to replay missions in GTA 5 Story Mode. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how you can replay any missions that you have done on a GTA 5 Story Mode save. This is going to work for every single platform, so I am doing this on PC, but you will also be able to replicate the same steps on Xbox or PlayStation. All that you have to do is go into GTA 5 Story Mode, and once you load in, pause the game at any point. You will see the main tabs over here at the top, and all that you have to do is choose the Game tab. Inside of Game, you can see the missions that you have done, and the first option is going to be Replay Mission. So all that you have to do is choose Replay Mission. You might also have the option here to play other things available, but the main one is going to be Replay Mission. So you will see the completion rate for each mission that you have done. If you see this gold symbol, it means that you completed it 100%. And for example, this one is silver because there are some achievements that I didn't do. So for example, if I win the race against Lamar, I'm going to get the checkbox here. And then if I avoid hitting any aliens in the Move Studio, I'll get another one. So you can replay missions to complete these challenges. So all that you have to do is choose the specific mission that you want to replay. You will get this warning. Before replaying a mission, the game will create a restore point. Once the replay has ended, you will be returned to this point. Do you want to continue? So just go ahead and tap yes, and immediately upon selecting yes, the mission will play out just like your first time doing it. So you will see any cutscenes, you can skip them, just like I did here for demonstration purposes, and now you will be able to replay. It's as simple as that. Now you will be able to go ahead and play the same missions that you have done previously in GTA 5 Story Mode. You will be able to complete all of those objectives, and all that you have to do is pause the game at any point and choose the first option here. I hope I was able to help you on how to replay missions in GTA 5 Story Mode. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.